lash inventory from FedEx. So I ordered this from my vendor, and I'm so happy that I finally received it because I needed all these supplies for my business. So today I'm going to do an unboxing, and yeah, let's just see what I ordered and let's just get into this video. Alright, so let's just get into the video. I've been waiting on this package now for like a minute now. As you guys can see, I'm so excited. Like this, Chinese people like really stuff this package. Like they really be stuffing their packages. Been waiting on this package for a minute. Alright, so now that we got the box open and everything, I'm just gonna go through this box and let you guys know everything that I ordered. So these right here, I ordered some iPads. I need more iPads for my clients, so I'm happy I ordered that. I ordered about 2 packs of those. I ordered some disposable masks. I need these now since the whole corona thing, and I just honestly feel like any lash tech or any service provider in the beauty industry just need to have these on hand in their studio or in their suite. Like, this is mandatory. We need to always wear these. I used to wear these when I first started lashing, but I kind of stopped. But now since the whole COVID-19 started, I just had to order me a pack of masks because I need this. I ordered 5 packs of practice lashes because, y'all, I'm about to make my own strips. So I want you guys to come along on this journey with me, practicing making my own strip lashes because it's about to be epic. So I ordered like 5 cases of these. So I'm ready to get into making these strip lashes and becoming a beast at it. So y'all heard it here first. So I ordered that. What is this? I ordered a thermometer. This is for my glue. So whenever your glue is like sticky or anything like that, that means the temperature is too hot for that glue. So your glue isn't gonna like cure at, you know, the best that it can. So I ordered a thermometer because I needed this. I didn't have this in my suite, or in my studio, so I'm happy I ordered this. Ordered some disposable mascara brushes, so I need more of these. But even though I have a pack, or I have a bunch of like the studio, but I just needed more just to have on hand. More glue rings. I need more of these if I'm gonna be doing or making strips at home. I need more of these. And I ordered some flowering cups. So basically these are like what's gonna make me make my fans. And these are gonna be like very easy for me to make my fans. So I needed more of these. I ordered, what is this? These are eyelash stickers. So these are like for lash mapping. So when I make my strips, I'm going to lash map the lengths and the curls that I'm using for those lash strips, so I know how to make them once I continue to perfect making the strip lashes and actually like knowing the style and the technique and everything that I've been using. I'm going to write out the lash map. So I ordered about 3 packs of these, so I needed these, so I'm happy I ordered these. I ordered, what is this? I want to say this is a crystal. This is like a jade stone, but this is where you put your lash strips on the side. This is clear, and then also, I don't know if you guys can see, let me open this for you. I don't know if you guys can see, but it has the numbers on the side right here. This is like where you put the strip of the lash extension that you're using. You put the strip right here and you just place it on here, and then you place your glue right here. It's like a disposable, it comes with like a disposable like sticker where you put your glue right here and you're able to make your fans and everything like that. So I needed this, so I'm happy I ordered this. What else? These are glue dots. So this is another thing that's like very easy to make flying fans. So I ordered this just to test it out. I never used this before as a lash tech, but I just ordered this just to test it out and see what the hype was about. So I'm just testing this out. I ordered some curved and straight tweezers, and these are pink. So I'm so happy I ordered these. Just trying to test these tweezers out, see if they're good. Hopefully I'm able to make volume fans with these. That's like the goal. That's the reason why I really ordered these tweezers. Yeah, and plus they're pink, so they go with Minxs Lash brand colors and everything like that. So I just wanted to test these tweezers out and see if they're really good or not. So I'll let you guys know how these tweezers are. This right here, I don't know why they gave me 2, but this is, oh, I did order 2, but this is like the glue dot. This is like the little, this is where you can make your volume fans as well. Very, very, very easy. And I'm touching it now, and it's like very like jelly, so it's gonna make the volume fans like just pop up and like open and fan easily. So I wanted to test these out too, just for my technique purposes, but I'll let you guys know how these work. Hopefully, I've been seeing nothing but good reviews about these, so I can't wait to test these out. I'm very excited for that. And last but not least, I ordered a new mannequin head, because Lord knows I needed another mannequin head. This mannequin head, I'm going to be using this to make my strip lashes. Yeah, this gonna be my, I gotta name her, gotta, you know, give her some lashes because she needs some lashes on her face. But yeah, this is the mannequin head that I'm gonna be practicing creating my strip lashes and everything like that. So